Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to save and rename files in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first-timer in doing this, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how you can do this. Now, if you're interested in watching a separate tutorial for each of the features and functions of other Google software such as Google Docs and Google Sheets, we have already created a dedicated playlist that compiles all of those tutorials. And if you want a beginner's guide, a how-to beginner's guide that discusses everything you need to know before starting in Google softwares such as these Google Slides and Google Sites, that also covers some of the basic functions in these software, then we also have a dedicated video for that. So please consider watching those and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now, what we are going to talk about today is saving and renaming our files. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using is completely up to date, and this is so that we can ensure that we do not encounter any unexpected errors along our way. Now, when it comes to saving our file to drive, you should not worry if you have not clicked on anything before you closing the file, because Google offers a real-time autosave feature. Now, what that means is if I change anything in my document, it will save it automatically in our Google Drive. And as you can see right here in our cloud icon, if I check the document status, all changes have been saved to the drive. And if I type something, let's say for example I would like to edit this document, add something, it says saving automatically without pressing anything, and it successfully saved it to drive, meaning that these changes that we have added in our document has been saved already. So when it comes to saving it to drive or the cloud, you should not worry with anything. Now, when it comes to renaming our file, all you have to do is to head over to the upper panel or the upper left panel of our screen, in which we can see the untitled presentation by default, and you just need to click on this bar so that you can rename your document. Let's say for example I want to name it subscribe, and then I just need to click enter. And now as you can see, we have successfully renamed our file to subscribe, and it even changes it in our tab. Now to save it in our computer, all you have to do is to head over to the file tab right over here, and then right here we can move it to our Google Drive, and then from there you can save it. You can also print it right over here, and then the destination, you can save it as a PDF file in your computer like so. Click and save, and it should automatically download the file on your computer. And as simple as that, we can save our document and even rename it and auto save it to our Google Drive. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and from here I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.